lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
on everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss on everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss on everything. Yeah, boss on everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
All right, let's get into quick tip number 8 for this Smart Rapper series. Now we're gonna talk about something that's gonna massively help your workflow, and that's, well, SSD drives. And I'm not talking about HDD, because HDD drives actually have to spin up, okay? That's why they take time to load. SSD drives are flash, so it's just instant load.
Hey, yo!
Which means when you're working on music, it's way faster. All of your sessions should actually be run off of SSD drive, okay? Now, I will not touch a computer to work on music if it has a normal HDD drive. I just will not do it, okay? Like, it's not happening, all right? SSD works instantly, okay? And also, there's different speeds of it. So if you can get some, like I got a lot of the ones that I buy are the Kingston ones that have a read-write speed of at least 2,000, okay? And don't forget, you can also put an SSD drive into your computer that runs the operating system as the primary drive. You should get that that has a read-write speed of as fast as you can get it, because this way your entire system is running faster in general, okay? I had bought this computer and then I was like, oh man, then I had to change out the drive, all kinds of stuff. But your workflow will massively increase, okay? Now you can do SSD drives even when it's going through USB, still faster. But if you can get a bunch of Type-C, or if you have Mac, you got Thunderbolt, these drives load stupid, ridiculously fast, okay? But even USB to an SSD is super helpful, okay? Now, what I actually do is this. I have different drives for different things. I have one drive for beat creation, okay? So there's tons of samples on there, tons of everything. I make beats from that drive. And then I have another one, which is for music specifically. So all in that, they're both super fast drives, and I work on my music from that drive specifically, obviously regularly back up, okay? And I have another SSD drive for transferring footage from my GoPro to my video team. I just bought 5 SSD drives. No, I think I bought 6. Actually, yeah, I think I bought 6 SSD drives. Just got them in the mail yesterday. Seriously, you need them. No one likes slow technology, okay? Nothing's gonna slow you down like slow technology. Your phone ever been super annoying? Can't get things done? How annoying is that? Think about that, all right? Well, if you add everything up through this whole series, all of these videos and ideas they have for workflow, it's gonna end up giving you a workflow that actually makes you unstoppable, because there's nothing slowing down your workflow. Those moments of inspiration happen more often, and they're also, when they happen, they're not lost, right? You're more creative and you finish more songs, right? So check out the next video for the next tip. Make them little bite-sized videos for you, all right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Make sure you check out the links below. Make sure you check out the Music Industry Shortcut and join thousands of other artists like you. They have resources that you wouldn't have anywhere else, all right? Keep hustling, gang. Make sure you check out my new songs. I'll play one of them over here because I'm an artist just like you, and I don't stop, all right? Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Boss on everything. Whoa, yes. Boss on everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss on everything. Yeah.